Remove the pin kit cover and take the K-wire from the sterile Inion FreedomPin Kit. Drill the K-wire through the bone to secure the fragment or osteotomy. Insert the pin into the cannula. The pin should be inserted into the cannula from the curved side, which is marked with an arrow symbol. Take the introducer and insert it into the cannula from the straight end. Tap the Inion FreedomPin into the drill hole in the bone by tapping the inserter with a small hammer. Cut the pin at the bone surface with a hot loop or cutting pliers.